Hello gentlemen, how are you? Welcome to my channel Piping Technical Trainer. Today I will make you understand how to calculate area of a plane shapes. We have here different types of shapes. We have triangle, rectangle, trapezoid, ellipse, square, parallelogram, circle, sector. So how we will calculate? We have the formula here. How we will calculate? I have given examples for each. So step by step we will understand. First what is the area of a rectangle? We have this rectangle. This is called width. This is called height. So we have formula area equal to W into H, width into height. So this is height is given 3 and width is given 5. So we will multiply area equal to 5 into 3 equal to 15. We will get 15. Now what is the area of a circle? So this is given radius. This is called radius. So how much radius is given? 3. So area equal to pi into r square. So pi into r is given 3. So we'll keep square. So pi into 3 into 3. So what is the value of pi? 3.14159 into 9. Into 9, 3 into 3 into 9, we will get 28.27. This is the area of a circle. Next, what is the area of a triangle? How to calculate area of a triangle? Yeah, this is called triangle. So here this is called height. Height is given 12. So here base is given 20. So the formula half into base into height, b into h, equal to half into 20 into 12. So here 20 is base, 12 is height. So we will get 120 by calculating area of a triangle. Now circumference of a circle. How to calculate circumference of a circle? Here this is a circle. This is very important. Here this is a circle. We have here this is total is called diameter. The half is called radius. Understand what I said? Total is called diameter, half from here to here it is called radius. Now for formula, C equal to pi into d. C is circumference, pi into d, or C equal to 2 pi into r. This is the formula how to calculate circumference of. Now for example, you understand, find the circumference of a circle. Here total, here it is given diameter is given 18 inch. C equal to pi into d, formula we will implement. C equal to pi into 18 is d is 18. So pi equal to 3.1416, C equal to 3.1416 into 18, we will get 56.5 inch. Circumference we will get 56.5. You have to implement this formula. You will implement this formula easily, you can understand. Now we have here next example, find the volume of a sphere or radius. Radius is given 9.6 meter. Rounding your answer to the 2 decimal places. So here this is called sphere, a sphere. So this is called radius. Radius is given 9.6 meter. So formula we know, V equal to volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into pi into 9.6 cube. Cube from the formula. 4 by 3 into pi into we will multiply this, we will get 884.6 9.736. This is we will get by cubing 9.6. We will get this much. Now we will get 3705.97. So the volume will be 3705.97 meter cube. This will be the volume of a sphere. Now here surface area of a sphere. Now we will calculate surface area of a sphere. This is important. Find the surface area of a sphere with a radius 4 centimeter. Here this is radius. Formula A equal to pi r square, 4 pi r square. So surface area equal to 4 into pi into r square, 4 into 3.14. This is the constant value of pi into 4 square. 4 is here, radius is given. So surface area equal to 12.56 into, so here you will multiply 4 into 4, we will get 16. So yes, surface area equal to 200.96, surface area equal to 200.96 centimeter square. Definition, the number of square units that will exactly cover the surface area of a sphere. Here this is very important. What is a cylinder? A cylinder is three-dimensional object that consists of two circles joined together to form a round column. This is a round column. So all the cans we have in our houses are cylindrical. Columns are another real world example of cylinder. Here you can see this is also down. We have also, this is called height, this is called r, this is called r, radius. See, let's see the example. Here we have the surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, pi r square, 2 pi r into r, h is height, so pi r square. By combining we will get A equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. This is the formula of surface area of a cylinder. This is, you have to memorize this one. Here you can see radius is given 4 inch, height is given 8 inch. From the formula A equal to 2 pi r bracket close r plus h. So here 2 into pi, we know the constant 3.14 into r is given 4, will give 4, bracket close, again r is given 4 plus 8, we will get 301.44 inch square. This is how to calculate surface area of a cylinder.